Small subscriptions, big money. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. In today's marketplace, small subscriptions have become a game changer, revolutionizing how consumers access goods and services. These highly affordable, recurring payment models have transformed accessibility, offering everything from streaming services to meal kits at a fraction of the cost. Everything adds up eventually. $1 here, $1 there. Small subscriptions. 1. Accessibility. Small subscriptions revolutionize accessibility to various services and products, democratizing consumption by offering affordable entry points for a broader audience. Unlike traditional models that often require significant upfront costs or commitments, small subscriptions break down financial barriers, making it easier for individuals with limited budgets to access desired goods or services. This accessibility extends across various industries, from streaming platforms and software services to meal delivery kits and digital publications. Small subscriptions. 2. Incremental revenue. While individual subscription fees may seem negligible, the cumulative effect of a large subscriber base translates into substantial revenue streams for businesses. This incremental revenue model thrives on the principle of aggregation, where even modest subscription fees, when multiplied by thousands or millions of subscribers, contribute significantly to the company's bottom line. Each new subscriber adds to the recurring revenue stream, amplifying the financial impact over time. Moreover, as businesses diversify their subscription offerings and expand into new markets, the potential for incremental revenue growth multiplies. This revenue model not only provides stability, but also fuels innovation and expansion strategies. Small subscriptions. 3. Customer loyalty. Small subscriptions foster higher levels of customer loyalty compared to one-time transactions, as they encourage ongoing engagement and commitment to the service or product. Subscribers develop a sense of ownership and investment in the subscription, leading to a stronger bond with the brand over time. This loyalty translates into repeat business, reduce churn rates, and increase customer lifetime value. Furthermore, loyal subscribers often become brand advocates, promoting the service through word-of-mouth referrals and positive reviews, thereby attracting new customers and further solidifying the subscriber base. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and delivering consistent value through subscription offerings. Small subscriptions. 4. Predictable income. Small subscriptions provide businesses with a reliable and predictable stream of income, offering greater financial stability and facilitating long-term planning. Unlike sporadic one-time purchases, subscription revenue recurs at regular intervals, allowing companies to forecast cash flow with greater accuracy and make informed strategic decisions. This predictability empowers businesses to allocate resources efficiently, invest in growth initiatives, and weather economic uncertainties more effectively. Moreover, predictable income streams instill confidence among investors, lenders, and stakeholders, enhancing the company's overall financial health and credibility in the market. Small subscriptions. 5. Scalability. The beauty of small subscription models lies in their scalability, enabling businesses to seamlessly accommodate a growing customer base without incurring significant overhead costs or operational complexities. Whether it's a digital service, software platform, or physical product subscription, the infrastructure required to support additional subscribers can often be easily scaled up using existing technology and resources. This scalability allows businesses to expand their market reach and capture new opportunities without being constrained by traditional constraints associated with physical distribution or service delivery. As subscriber numbers increase, economies of scale may further drive down costs, enhancing profitability and competitiveness in the market. Small subscriptions. 6. Diversification. Offering a range of subscription tiers enables businesses to diversify their revenue streams and cater to different segments of the market with varying needs and budgets. Companies can attract a broader spectrum of customers while maximizing revenue potential. This diversification not only mitigates risk by reducing reliance on a single revenue source, but also allows businesses to capture value across various customer segments, each willing to pay for different levels of features, functionality, or service levels. Moreover, by analyzing subscriber preferences and behaviors, businesses can continually refine their subscription offerings to better align with market demand, further enhancing revenue diversification and long-term sustainability. Small subscriptions. 7. Market penetration. Small subscription models serve as a powerful tool for market penetration, allowing businesses to reach new customers and expand their footprint in existing markets. By offering affordable subscription options, companies can attract price-sensitive consumers who may have been previously hesitant to commit to larger purchases. This accessibility not only lowers the barrier to entry but also facilitates customer acquisition and adoption, driving rapid market penetration and brand recognition. Furthermore, as subscribers experience the value and benefits of the subscription service, they are more likely to become loyal customers, thereby fueling organic growth and word-of-mouth referrals. Small subscriptions. 8. Data insights. Small subscription models provide businesses with invaluable data insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and usage patterns, which can be leveraged to enhance product offerings, optimize marketing strategies, and improve overall customer experience. By analyzing subscriber data such as purchase history, engagement metrics, and feedback, businesses can gain deep insights into customer needs and preferences, allowing for more personalized and targeted marketing campaigns. Additionally, data-driven decision-making enables companies to identify trends, anticipate market shifts, and innovate proactively to stay ahead of the competition. Moreover, by leveraging advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms, businesses can extract actionable insights from vast amounts of subscriber data, driving continuous improvement and innovation. Small subscriptions. 9. Recurring revenue. One of the key advantages of small subscription models is the generation of recurring revenue streams, which provide businesses with a stable and consistent source of income over time. Unlike one-time purchases that result in sporadic revenue spikes, subscription-based revenue recurs at regular intervals, offering financial predictability and sustainability. This recurring revenue model not only strengthens the company's financial position, but also enables better resource allocation, investment in long-term growth initiatives, and strategic planning. Moreover, recurring revenue fosters a more resilient business model, as it helps buffer against economic downturns and market fluctuations by providing a steady stream of income even during challenging times. Small subscriptions. 10. Flexibility. Small subscription models offer customers greater flexibility and control over their purchasing decisions, allowing them to modify or cancel their subscription plans according to their changing needs or preferences. This flexibility is particularly valuable in today's dynamic marketplace, where consumer preferences and circumstances can evolve rapidly. Businesses can cater to a diverse range of customer needs and preferences, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Moreover, flexible subscription models empower customers to experiment with new products or services without the fear of long-term commitment, thereby reducing barriers to adoption and driving incremental revenue growth. By prioritizing flexibility and customer centricity, businesses can differentiate themselves in the market and build stronger relationships with their subscribers over time. Small subscriptions. 11. Cross-selling opportunities. Subscription models create unique opportunities for businesses to cross-sell additional products or services to existing subscribers, thereby increasing revenue per customer and maximizing the lifetime value of each subscriber. By leveraging subscriber data and insights, businesses can identify complementary products or services that align with the needs and preferences of their subscriber base. Moreover, by integrating cross-selling strategies seamlessly into the subscription experience, businesses can enhance the overall value proposition for subscribers while driving incremental revenue growth. By leveraging cross-selling opportunities effectively, businesses can capitalize on the synergies between their various product offerings and maximize revenue potential across their subscriber base. Small subscriptions. 12. Community building. Subscription services often foster a sense of community among subscribers, creating opportunities for engagement, interaction, and collaboration around shared interests or experiences. This sense of belonging can lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy, as subscribers feel connected to a larger community of like-minded individuals. Moreover, by facilitating community-building activities such as forums, discussion groups, or exclusive events, businesses can deepen the relationship between subscribers and the brand, driving retention and long-term engagement. Additionally, community building can also generate valuable user-generated content, word-of-mouth referrals, and social proof. Small subscriptions. 13. Reduced churn. Small subscription models play a crucial role in reducing churn rates by continuously delivering value and maintaining high levels of customer satisfaction. Unlike one-time transactions where the customer relationship ends after the purchase, subscription-based businesses have ongoing interactions with their subscribers, providing opportunities to reinforce value, address concerns, and nurture the relationship over time. By consistently meeting or exceeding subscriber expectations through product innovation, customer support, and personalized experiences, businesses can minimize the likelihood of subscribers churning out. Moreover, proactive retention strategies such as targeted re-engagement campaigns, loyalty rewards, and subscription customization options can further mitigate churn and increase subscriber retention rates. By focusing on reducing churn, businesses can maximize the lifetime value of their subscribers, drive sustainable revenue growth, and build a loyal customer base that serves as a foundation for long-term success. Small subscriptions. 14. Lower marketing costs. The ongoing nature of subscription models results in lower marketing costs over time compared to traditional one-time purchase models. While acquiring new customers may require upfront investment in marketing and customer acquisition efforts, the recurring nature of subscriptions reduces the need for continuous marketing spend to retain existing customers. Instead of constantly chasing new leads, businesses can focus on nurturing relationships with their existing subscriber base, driving engagement, and maximizing customer lifetime value. Moreover, satisfied subscribers can become advocates for the brand, promoting the subscription service through word-of-mouth referrals, social media shares, and positive reviews, thereby reducing reliance on paid advertising channels. Small subscriptions. 15. Competitive advantage. Companies that effectively leverage small subscription models can gain a significant competitive advantage in the marketplace by offering convenience, affordability, and personalized experiences to their customers. In today's competitive landscape, consumers value convenience and flexibility, and businesses that can deliver on these expectations through subscription-based offerings are better positioned to attract and retain customers. Moreover, small subscription models enable businesses to respond quickly to changing market dynamics, customer preferences, and competitive pressures, driving innovation and differentiation. By continuously refining their subscription offerings, optimizing pricing strategies, and enhancing the overall customer experience, businesses can carve out a unique position in the market and establish themselves as leaders in their respective industries. Time for the soft question. Do you like and favor subscriptions? If yes, why? What do you like about them? If not, what aspect of subscriptions don't you like? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. This may help our viewers learn, grow, and hopefully benefit from it. Thank you. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe to watch more videos like this and also share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. There's more waiting to be learned in our next video. Please click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.